I don't know what Buddy's doing, but I think he's dreaming. Oh, he stopped wagging his paws. What are you doing, Mr. Rooster? What are you doing, buddy? Now look at him. Look at him. He's in the... There's no doubt. I don't want to go over there and walk him back over. Everybody, why didn't he just walk with the three when the three amigos came back? Okay, three amigos. I don't want to walk back over there. Maybe he'll come back on his own. Oh, there he goes. Walk the whole fence line all the way down. No, I didn't come back with these guys. Nope, he's still not. I don't know what I'd do without that lawn chair. Those chickens wouldn't have to stand on it. Yeah. And my baby chickens and ducks are out. There they are. In the tractor. I got all of them out. Their water and their feeder in there. Everybody else is doing good. And Buddy was dreaming. He's shaking his paws. He stopped. And Mr. Rooster. There's Yetta. There's my baby ducks. Right under there. They've gotten so big. They don't sleep with the ducks yet. They sleep with the chicken coop. Oh, those pretty girls. Well, I don't want to make this too long. Everybody have a good day.